Today, me and Seth decided to check out the woods. It's been raining, flooded, so yeah. Redneck. Dogs. Yeah, heritage, not hate.
Okay, this we're gonna cut when we come back next time, and it's lower.
Yeah. Okay, so crossing a log. Look how close that water is.
That's the spot.
Damn. What are you doing? The water's right there from the log. Like, you can tell. And,
oh, hold up.
That was easy.
Hey, we got a step now. A lot of it washed away, see?
Yeah.
It's just a little mushy there. You don't even have to jump down now.
Yeah. All that dirt. I still did though. Looks like a four-wheeler could have went through there.
Oh.
Don't get too close, Mom said.
Huh? Mom said don't get too close?
Yeah. Thought you heard her. Do it again.
Oh, God, I'm trying not to fall in. Oh, that's it. That's it. I ain't risking that. I know how to do it. Ronnie, please.
Well, not completely rotten stuff.
Yeah.
This one's getting rotten, but it's gonna take a couple of years for you to be able to kick that down.
Yeah.
And if y'all watch this channel, go subscribe to my other two channels. Miles Gimnick is the other one, and my new one, I haven't posted on it yet, but it's called Mechanic Miles, and it's gonna be about me working on things and all. And Seth,
take a rope and pull on that top for a bit.
Yeah.
Next time we come right there.
That'd be fun. And so, go subscribe to it too.
Hey, watch out for Walmart things, by the way.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if it's winter.
Yeah.
Because we found a fresh dead snake a while back, like 2 days, maybe a week ago. Literally fresh.
So what is this? Type of tree is that?
I'm not sure.
I think it could be hickory.
Ow!
Hit him on the head.
Son of a
Biscuit eater. Throw it in the water.
That hurt.
Current's going decently fast.
Watch your head. This is rotted.
Dude. So, that was awfully close.
I took off in the wrong direction.
Yep. You should have went towards me.
It's stuck, like.
Pretty soon I might be getting a new camera soon. And so audio and everything's gonna be a lot better.
That's crazy.
Steph said the water's going about a couple miles per hour. Yeah, that's a very smart idea, Seth.
Oh! I'm stupid, but I love this.
It's stupid, least suspenseful. Okay, that's not gonna work. Hey, Seth, whenever you throw that, yell Sparta. Sparta! that got so close to your head.
Yeah, but look, got my hand. Okay.
And also, you didn't yell Sparta when you threw it.
This is Sparta. Yeah, this is Sparta. Oh God, that takes a lot of energy actually.
Dang.
No, it does literally.
I know.
You should feel that when it's soaking wet. It's cold. Hey.
What? I know this channel isn't that interesting, But it might be now. I'm gonna get out the way. Dude, that whole tree. Hey, where was it?
My heart is still beating.
There's that. There's that. And then on top of that was that. And then that. And then that. And all the way up.
I'll kill myself somehow.
KMS.
Hey, this is actually live.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Rotten wood curls. Sparta!
It's stuck.
Oh, wow.
I'm not joking.
Oh, wow. Man, we should start cleaning up.
It's literally. It's pretty neat. I stuck it.
So. That was fun.
What do you think? We should do more videos about me doing this kind of crap?
Well, I want to try buying me a, I want to try buying a tripod and a nice little camera.
Yeah.
And then have it where I can set it out and we both be doing stuff.
Yeah.
I think that'd be pretty fun.
I want to say that one's standing the most though.
That big one?
This one.
Oh, yeah.
Cause that.
Yeah, try knocking down the rest of it. Stiff.
Yeah.
Whenever I get my fooler going, which whenever I do, I'm gonna post it on.
We're gonna try to cross the creek with it if we can. When you get better tires on it.
Oh, I already remember they set it up like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta try it again then.
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna post me fixing it up on Mechanic Miles channel, and then we'll have videos of it on here where we're pulling down old trees and riding, trying to ride across the creek.
This right here is holding that big of a tree up. And it fell over there.
Seth? No, it's not.
Oh god.
It's holding that up. I'm moving. Hey, Seth, let's go across this one.
No. I'm stupid, but not that stupid.
The water's usually not that high.
Yeah, but this is when it rains a good bit.
Dude, I want to try getting good at editing because all my videos aren't edited.
Yeah, and to make it where, you know how just us and them do theirs, they fast forward through real quick and everything?
Yeah.
Do that. I like to do that.
I'm going to look up some editing skills and stuff, try getting good at it.
Oh, okay, I'm done with that. I'm getting this.
And then,
That's setting my anxiety up now.
I want to get a new camera soon, but Mom's camera.
Good.
Yeah, Mom's camera, my brother broke whenever he took it on deployment with him.
That looks a beautiful sight right there, though.
Pretty nice. Gushing water. Steph, I'm at 8 minutes now.
End it.
Well, I'll post another video in a little bit, but
on our way out.
yeah, on our way out, we're gonna walk around there and stuff.
We'll find something great and everything.
Yeah.
Decide the video before I destroy everything.
Yeah, but subscribe and like, give it a thumbs up. I don't really care. Nobody watches these videos, but yeah. See y'all later.